I've been doing this for so long that there really isn't anybody out there who doesn't know that I'm here and that I do this yet. And anybody who's interested is already here. Welcome to your Sunday Sofatime substitution video. As most of you know, no, this is a stupid idea. That's better. I am folding up laundry here. We don't have a dryer. Most people don't have a dryer in Germany. I think most European countries, people don't use clothes dryers. They just hang it up here and it's usually dry the next day. And yeah, I'm packing up my clothes for my cruise tomorrow. If you don't know, you should know by now, I am leaving for a cruise tomorrow early in the morning. And if you didn't know that, then where have you been? Catch up. I'm just kidding, kind of. I don't know, of course, what the internet's going to be like on the ship. I don't know if I'm going to have the opportunity to upload anything on Sunday. So if you're seeing this now, I am on the ship. There may or may not be a video from the ship going online today, but I didn't want to leave without having something organized for Sunday, so this is what it is. I know for most people, it's been much longer than it has for me since the last time you packed a suitcase, but still, I feel like, I mean, the last time I did it now is December. No, not December. November of last year. And even for me, it feels like a long time, and I'm getting a little bit of that anxiety, you know, what if I forget to bring something important? What if I'm trying to think of the mistakes I've made in the past that I've, forgotten to bring any t-shirts. Also, I think forgotten to bring any socks. And, worst case scenario, you can get all of that when you're gone. I mean, especially if you're just staying in a city, but on the ship, I know they have those shops with primarily overpriced clothing and accessories, but at least, there's going to be an option. Yeah, I'm just sitting here packing up, and I thought I would kill two birds with one stone, and like I said, make this video for you. One of the other vloggers that I watch who doesn't do anything related to travel is Shelby Church. I have no idea how I found her channel, and she's like perfect at making these, I don't know, really interesting videos where the title and the thumbnail are about one specific thing, but then you listen to her talk for like 20 minutes as she's doing so many other things during her day, but it's still entertaining. So I think I need to learn that. And I think, it doesn't always have to be a full studio setup with my expensive camera and the lighting setup in front of the red sofa. And you know what I mean? I can do it like this too, right? And you'll watch it, won't you? I'm really, really looking forward, of course, to the cruise. Who wouldn't be? Like I said, if you don't know, I had my corona test done. Not yesterday evening, the day before yesterday, so Tuesday evening, and now it's Thursday. And I leave tomorrow morning. The flight is at 7:30 in the morning, but one advantage of traveling at the moment, and this is something I saw when I was at the airport for my corona test, is that there is like nothing happening at the airports. There are so few flights right now. Oh, this is not dry yet. Anyways, what I was gonna say is there are so few flights right now that the entire flight plan for like 24 hours or maybe even more than that all fit on one of those info screens. And when does that happen? So I'm not worried about it being stressful at the airport, because I think there's going to be like nothing happening at the airport. One thing I am a little curious or weary about is it is really, really windy outside today, and Hamburg is not famous for being not windy. Let's put it that way. And I'm just wondering if that's going to have any effect on the flight being on time tomorrow, or maybe it'll be a really rough and rocky takeoff. I don't know. I mean, nothing to really worry about, because I'll get over it. But the flight that I'm going to be on, like I said in a previous video, it's a charter flight from TUI. So TUI is like the main company that owns MeinSchiff, the cruise line that I'm going to be cruising with. And as far as I know, everybody on this flight is going to the cruise. And we're flying from Hamburg, and we're going to stop in Munich to pick up other people going on the cruise. So it's going to be one of those flights where it's like split up in the middle, but I don't leave the plane. We fly from here to Munich, go to the gate. People from Munich get on the plane, fill up the empty seats. Great. And then we continue on to the island of, Gran Canaria, which is off the coast of Africa. And I have been to Gran Canaria. In fact, that's where I did that tennis vacation a couple of years ago, 2 years ago. That was really fantastic and different than anything that I had done for a really long time. I'd love to do that again. And yeah, speaking of loving to do it again, hopefully the time will be right and it will be possible again also very soon. Sorry, I'm still here. I'm over here. And I'm just realizing that I did this wash last night and I was kind of hoping that it would be dry by now. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon, but it's not time yet. So let's sit down here at my dining room table and have a chat, shall we? You can see this is our bar in the back. This is outside, and that's the building out there that I've been telling you that there's been constant construction projects on that building for like 4 years now. And when I was filming Sunday Sofatime, the last Sunday Sofatime, what do we talk about in that video? I don't remember right now, but you can hear them like drilling and hammering, and they're like making a new kind of brick sidewalk, and they have this it sounds like a chainsaw to cut the bricks. And it's just, when you're sitting at home trying to concentrate or maybe relax or take a nap or whatever, it's just so loud. And it's been like that for years, and I can't wait for them to finally finish it. But it's like every time a new or one project finishes, all of a sudden there's another project. So I have gotten a lot of really great feedback, a lot of really great ideas from you about my cabin upgrade. And by the time this video goes online, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you will definitely know what cabin I ended up in, if I stayed in the same cabin, if I did do an upgrade. So if you don't follow me on Facebook or Instagram yet, then I don't know what else to say. People were asking me, or Marcus was asking me the other day, what he thinks I can attribute to why my channel is kind of at the plateau that it's at, and other people who've come after me, like Tony, Lalito Loca, and Don from Don's Family Vacation, why their channels have grown larger than mine. And I kind of feel like I've been doing this for so long that there really isn't anybody out there who doesn't know that I'm here and that I do this yet. And anybody who's interested is already here. You know what I mean? Like, I'm like the 12th season of Friends now, and there aren't going to be like new people who don't know Friends is on the air that start watching it new. You know what I mean? That's kind of what I feel like. So what was the point I was trying to make? Oh yeah. So if for whatever reason you have been here for a while and don't follow me on Facebook or Instagram, it's not like I'm going to be able to convince you to do it now. You know the reasons, and if you haven't done it yet, you're probably not going to do it. But anyways, that'll be probably the first place that you'll see what cabin I'm in on the cruise. I thought about sitting down and making a video about the different excursions, but I know now I'm not going to have the time to do that. This is the only video I'm going to have time to do before I leave, because I still have to, edit it and put it online. I could just put it online like it is, but I like to take out the little breaks and the ums and the uhs and the times that I stutter and repeat myself, because I think that makes it a little bit more enjoying to watch. So anyways, this is going to be the only video. The excursions that I'm most interested in are bicycle excursions, because I did that really great biking excursion in Genoa on the Grandiosa last year, and I just thought this is so great. So I'm hoping to do that again. Like I said, the islands of of the Canaries are very volcanic. They're very stony and jagged, and then at the top of the volcano, most of them have snow on the top. So that'll be really interesting. And I will be visiting a few islands that I've never seen before close up. But you know, the thing is, a Canary Island cruise is very much like a Hawaii Island cruise. The islands are so close together that it's kind of silly to use a cruise ship to get from one to the other, but that's not what it's about. You know what I mean? But like, you can see from each island, you can pretty much see the other island. So it's like, if you were really just taking a cruise ship to get from one to the other, you would be there in like 45 minutes, if that. So it's going to be a lot of like going out to sea and coming back and going out to sea and coming back. But I'm excited to see Tenerife, La Gomera, 2 islands that I haven't seen yet up close. And I'll see what excursions I end up doing. And I think there's going to be one day that I probably won't leave the ship, but that'll all be coming up in the videos in the future. Like I said, I didn't really have a point to this video. I just wanted to make sure that I had something to put online for all those people who like religiously watch on Sunday and would feel like there was a little something missing if you couldn't have your Sunday morning coffee with me. So thanks everybody. I hope you're gonna have a great day, and I'm on a ship right now, so I'm probably having a really great day too. And I'll see you back here very soon. Bye-bye.